was supposed to be joining the bag now to complete the work, but I lost a part of the video, so let me just show you the parts. You can take a look at the bottom of the bag now. You'll see some shapings out that I cut out. So I want to tell you how I got it. You can see it on the bottom of the bag. Let me show you how I got it. I measured on each side of the bag pieces. I measured 1.6 in with my tape, and I also measured 1.6 out again with my tape, and then I cut. That is how I'm able to get this shape you are seeing here. So this is actually going to give the bag the inside space. It's going to make it to be spacious inside. If you go back to the video where I showed you the one I've made already, you will see the bottom. This is how I actually got it accurately. 1.6 and 1.6, and then I cut. I did that on both pieces of the bag. I've shown you before. So now we'll go to the completing of the bag. We start from here. You place both edges from up like this together, and then we start sewing. So I'm look at my front side of the bag. So I'm going to make the top seam to.
I don't start to. I don't start.
So I'm going to sew like this down, and then come over to the other side too and sew just like that, and then I will sew the bottom like these two together. Alright,
Go.
so I've sewn this side and the other side. So for you to sew the bottom now, for me to sew this bottom now, I will have to open the bag and then turn it out, because the seam is going to be inside. Going to be inside. Turn the bag out. See, I've turned the bag out now. So I'm going to sew the bottom now. So the part I'll be sewing is only this. Just look at it. Take a look at it. I'm going to sew it like this to this place and stop here. So after sewing the bottom, this is what you are going to have. The measurement that we take out to cut out to get the bottom. So now I'm going to join it together to sew. I'm going to join it together to sew. When joining, you ensure that the seam allowance, maybe from the top one, should not be facing the same side. See the one I'm placing my, this one is going this way and this one will come this way. So now I will have to sew. So I have finished sewing the bottom of the bag now. So what I'm going to do now, I will turn the bag out for you to see the finishing of the bag. Class. So I have just turned out the bag now. Look at how the bag looks. We have finished making the tote bag. So I hope you enjoy while making yours. See you in the next class.